open this new high-speed hair dryer with me. Let's check it out. So nice. So sweet. The picture so pretty. All right. Kind of reminds me of like a cat head with the little ears. Oh, look at how it twists. That's cool. And it's not knotting up the cord and you're like trying to untangle it, doing all that crazy stuff. All right. I didn't even know what did that. There we go. And it comes with this for an attachment. Oh, it's magnetic. Just pop it off. That is cool. Super cool. Alright, let's plug it in. Let's see how windy it can get. Oops, I dropped you. Sorry. Alright. So the air gets sucked in through here. Look at that. Green is cold. Orange warm. Decorated. It smells good too. Here's low. Like a little one button change. Very cool. Get yours.